500,000 current Polos built at VW's Kariega plant. Hyundai warns against cheap parts. Citroën unveils its Formula E single-seater. New Toyota FJ Cruiser officially revealed. This is All Things Motoring News, powered by WeBuyCars. If you're selling, WeBuyCars is buying. Just over a year since it became the official home of Polo, the VW plant in Kariega has built 500,000 units of the latest iteration of this popular vehicle. The 500,000th facelift Polo, a King's Red Polo bound for the brand's home country of Germany, rolled off the production line in Kariega. In response to a growing influx of cheap imported and counterfeit vehicle components into the South African market, Hyundai Automotive South Africa is reinforcing its Hyundai-approved repairer program. The initiative is positioned as a direct countermeasure to practices that can compromise vehicle safety and performance. Michael is noting lots of concerns from the public around the quality of Hyundai dealerships. Motors, you are being watched. The Gen 3 Evo single-seater is a synthesis of power and efficiency, faster, lighter, and more efficient than ever. This car embodies the vision of sustainable motor racing, a performance laboratory where every kilowatt counts. Its chassis is ultra-lightweight and rigid, developed on the basis of the Spark Racing Technology Gen 3 chassis. The single-seater features a carbon fiber monocoque that meets the highest FIA safety requirements. Based on the firm's IMV platform, which also underpins the Hilux, the modern FJ Cruiser measures 4,575 in length and 1,855mm in width. The FJ Cruiser will be powered by Toyota's 2.7-litre atmospheric petrol, which produces 120 kilowatts and 246 Nm of torque in this application. The 6-speed automatic unit delivers power to the road via a part-time 4-wheel drive system. The new FJ Cruiser will also be offered with an array of customization options. All Things Motoring News, proudly brought to you by WeBuyCars. WeBuyCars, when you want to sell, they want to buy.